Today we have the 2019 Vauxhall Insignia. This vehicle has done just over 50,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our heated steering wheel, assist and voice control. On the right, we have automatic wipers and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access radio, smartphone integration, navigation, and our AC. Just below, we have our dual zone climate control, as well as our parking sensors. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim.